How to heal tooth decay and reverse cavities using this easy remedy. Cavities are a type of tooth decay that occur when certain bacteria produces an acid that destroys the tooth's enamel. It's so powerful that it also destroys the underlying layer, the dentin. Not many people know that it's actually possible to reverse it. There are several ways to naturally reverse cavities. According to a study published in the British Medical Journal, cavities and tooth decay can potentially be reversed with a change in diet. In this study, 62 children with cavities were divided into 3 diet groups. Group 1 ate a standard diet plus oatmeal, rich in phytic acid. Group 2 ate a normal diet and supplemented with vitamin D, while Group 3 ate a grain-free diet and also took vitamin D. Researchers found that Group 1, who had a diet high in grains and phytic acid, had an increase in cavities. Group 2 showed improvements in cavities, while Group 3, who followed a grain-free diet with nutrient-rich foods and a vitamin D supplement, saw the greatest improvements. Nearly all of the cavities in Group 3's participants were healed. Kid teeth. Many doctors and dentists have backed the findings of this study, suggesting that diet can in fact help those suffering with cavities to reverse their tooth decay. There are 4 main things that contribute to tooth decay: lack of minerals in the diet, deficiencies of magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. Lack of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Too much consumption of phytic acid-rich foods. Too much consumption of processed sugar. Natural ways to reverse cavities. 1. Remove sugar. For healthy, cavity-free teeth, sugar cannot be a part of your diet. Not only does it feed oral bacteria that prevents a healthy flow of dental fluids, it's also highly acidic, allowing it to decalcify and demineralize the structural content of teeth. 2. Consume nutrient-rich foods. Beating tooth decay requires an increase in fat-soluble vitamins and minerals. A diet full of vegetables, especially leafy green vegetables, and foods high in healthy fats such as coconut oil and avocado, along with nuts and seeds, can help create the ideal diet for battling tooth decay. 3. Eliminate phytic acid. Phytic acid is a mineral blocker and enzyme inhibitor that's found in grains, nuts, seeds, and beans that are not organic or GMO-free. It can cause serious health problems such as mineral deficiencies and osteoporosis. Phytic acid prevents you from absorbing the minerals in your food while leaching minerals out of your body, bones, and teeth. Avoid foods high in phytic acid by choosing organic and GMO-free. 4. Try oil pulling. Oil pulling has been used for centuries as an oral detoxification procedure. Simply swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 20 minutes, then spit the oil into the trash. If 20 minutes is too long, start with 3 to 5 minutes. Oil pulling has been praised for its ability to treat numerous health issues, from gingivitis to headaches. Shutterstock 2169842226. 5. Use mineralizing toothpaste. Fluoride-free toothpaste are expensive, but there are some brands that are more affordable. You can also make your own remineralizing toothpaste at home using 3 tablespoons of food-grade diatomaceous earth clay, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon mint-flavored chlorophyll, 1/4 teaspoon peppermint extract, a 1/2 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon filtered water.